Let's see how we can use the ArrayConstrain function in Google Sheets. We have the ArrayConstrain function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the employee ID from 1 to 10. In column B, we have the employee name of the employees whose IDs are given in column A. The employee name ranges from A to J. In column C, we have the department of the employees whose names are given in column B and IDs are given in column A. We have Department 1, Department 2, Department 3. We want the top 5 rows, that is, the title row, and the first 5 employee IDs data in the E2 to G7 range. We also want the first 2 columns in the I2 to J12 range. So let's first head to the E2 cell. We will use the ArrayConstrain function, which constrains an array result to a specified size. It takes input range, number of rows, and number of columns as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to ArrayConstrain. Input range will be from A1 to C11. Comma number of rows. Since we want the title, plus the first 5 employee details, we will give the number of rows as 6. Comma number of columns. We want all 3 columns, employee ID, employee name, and department, so we will write 3. We see that we get the employee ID, employee name, and department for the first 5 employee IDs, along with the title. Now, to get the first 2 columns, we will again use the ArrayConstrain function in cell I2. Input range, again, will be A1 to C11. Number of rows, since we want all, title, plus the 10 employee details, that is, 11 rows, so number of rows will be 11. Number of columns, since we want only the first 2 columns, employee ID, and employee name, we will give this as 2. We see that we get the employee ID, and the employee name for all the 10 employees. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the ArrayConstrain function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.